Friends, welcome to our channel Cashflow Vision. Today we are going to talk about COVID-19 and stock market investment. जी हाँ, आज हम बात करेंगे कोविड-19 एंड स्टॉक मार्केट इन्वेस्टमेंट की. The stock market indices across the globe have fallen. Value of portfolio has come down. But what next? Many investors will have one question in their minds. Will stock market rebound? Should one go ahead and start investing in stock market? Has the bottom of the market reached? So many questions and the answer is still not available. दोस्तों, इन्वेस्टर्स के मन में एक सवाल आया होगा कि क्या यह सही वक्त होगा स्टॉक मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करने का. कोविड-19 के चलते निफ्टी हो, सेंसेक्स हो या दुनिया भर के जितने भी इंडाइसेस हैं काफ़ी निचले स्तर पर आ चुके हैं. तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में क्या हम स्टॉक मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करके पैसा कमा सकते हैं? लेट अस सी. In current situation, we may find valuations of some companies would have come down, and that may be the opportunity to think about investment in such companies with some great fundamentals. But before we start thinking about the same, let's start with some basics of fundamental analysis. But why fundamental analysis? फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस ही क्यों क्यों ये इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है? चलिए देखते हैं. लेट अस स्टार्ट विद सम एग्जांपल. I want to reduce my weight and obtain a perfect body. So what I will do? I will resort to some exercise, I will go to some gym, I will attend some training session, etc., etc. But what about basic fundamentals? That is my diet, its quality, its quantity, and the most important thing, discipline. Unless this is perfect, will I be able to achieve my goal? Just doing exercise without perfect diet plan and discipline, is it possible? The answer is a big no. These are fundamentals which will allow me to achieve my goals. Similarly, a company with strong fundamentals may survive this havoc. Let us start with some basic points in fundamental analysis. Friends, please note that fundamental analysis is a way to examine companies and investments for various reasons, such as point number 1, it is based on the facts and not just someone's opinion. You will get companies' information through various resources, and it may contain information that would help you to think over your investment decision. But fundamental analysis would help you to do a thorough research and gets you focused on hardcore business realities. Point number 2, it is good at indicating changes in the business's health. If a company's success is artificially created, then you will see it show up in the fundamentals. With the help of such analysis, you will be able to form a critical investment decision on your own. Point number 3. Guys, you may hear some statements like, our future plan is to do XXX investment in XXS area, which will give me a decent ROI, or something like that. These are our future plans which will give us a decent profit, etc., etc. But guys, is this a reality? Please remember, these are future plans. Guys, note that the fundamentals are based in reality. Fundamental analysis helps to determine the reality and take decisions accordingly. I hope this session was informative for all of you. We will continue some more important points of fundamental analysis in our next session. Till then, take care, stay safe.